Here is the app called Reco Social, a new app trending in social. Reco is the home for recommendations. We believe the best discoveries come from real people, not ads or algorithms. Reco connects users, creators, and brands through authentic recommendations, turning every post into something useful, social, and rewarding. Why Reco? Because recommendations are more trusted than ads. Reco turns the things people already know into opportunities to discover, share, and earn. So yeah, kind of like shopping app. Let's take a look. So here is. So you have a lot of like vertical video content, and then you can just tap shop this post, and then you can see all of these recommendations which are in this post, and then you can just tap buy, and you will be redirected to the store like Walmart, whatever. So it's kind of very similar to TikTok live shopping or Whatnot app, where you can just create content and start selling. You can also just follow different creators in here. You can also start creating your own content. You can see your wallet. You can see your referrals. Basically, they have some really good referral program. Earn up to $25 for every friend who you bring to Reco. So here is my link. Feel free to use it. You can just see it in here. So yeah, pretty cool app. So again, you can earn by uploading your content, post your content, and earn when it gets engagement. Create products into earn just for having a good taste. Play games or invite friends. So also you can just import content from TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube. So yeah, here you just have it. So here you can select TikTok, YouTube, and Rec automatically matches your existing content with products and makes it shoppable. You don't have to sell to earn. Every time your content gets views, you get paid. So yeah, that's kind of the idea. I don't know actually if you also add in products in here, or the product is just being added by this app separately. So I don't know, but yeah, here is the app. You can again cash out. You can see how you can earn, upload your posts, and there is a bonus right now where they just have additional bonus. So yeah, that's kind of the idea.